While working in the cleaning industry, I've had the opportunity to meet incredible people and work with a wide range of companies. But one thing has always stood out to me. Walking into a building and being greeted with exceptional customer service, that moment matters. It sets the tone, it builds trust, and it shapes how clients see your entire company before a single service is delivered. Today, I want to talk to you about customer service. And more importantly, the importance of training every single person who enters your company on how to deliver it. Customer service is not just a role. It's not just the front desk. It's not just management. It's every interaction, every conversation, every detail. If your team is not trained, your brand is not protected. When you invest in customer service training, you're not only improving communication, you're increasing retention, you're strengthening relationships, and you're creating experiences that clients remember forever. And in the cleaning industry, where your work speaks silently, but your service speaks loudly, that's the difference.
That's why we created the 7 pillars of service excellence. This plug-and-play system is available to you and your team. This training is recommended to be used during onboarding, as well as a monthly or biannual refresher course, depending on employee performance and development needs. The program is interactive and performance-based, designed to test employee knowledge, reinforce learning, and improve long-term retention of service standards. Pricing is based on a per-seat model, allowing businesses to scale training across their team with a single payment instead of recurring fees. Ideal for improving service consistency, customer experience, and overall team performance. Visit our website and purchase a seat to get your employees started in representing your brand with excellent customer service. Select the option that best suits the size of your team.